Sarah, dog, stole a bite of Stella's food, and Stella came running to me in the kitchen to complain about it. My dog ran away. After hours of looking, I came home to this. Oh, Ralph. This is Ralph. He heard a firework, not sure if the world is ending, but if it is, he wanted to be with you. 14/10. I love you, Ralph. A memorial for the squirrel that ate through a wire that cancelled classes for 2 days. It was paid for by the undergrad class. In fond memory of Sparky, the squirrel searched for light even during the darkest of time. Class of 2018. My pit bull always thought he was the biggest dog at the dog park. I think a squirrel fell off my roof. My buddy's dog saw a moose. I had to cut down a tree in my yard and now I feel bad. I think my dog just died a little bit on the inside when I didn't give her the last bite of my burger. Do you think this is funny? So this happened. Yes, I rescued it. Our dog opened the upstairs screen door and followed our cat onto the roof. He required consoling before coming back inside. We actually had to help him down. Idiot. This fat fool had to be rescued by animal control. A friend left her dog at home and came back to this. Aurea apparently found a bag of charcoal and played with it. A little hamster with a broken bone. The doctor had a hard time dressing it. This is why you shouldn't leave your kids alone with the dog. My friend's cat got its head stuck in a vase, freaked out, broke the vase, and was left with this. I kicked over my cat's milk and had no replacement. He sat opposite me as I ate my dinner looking at me like this. My dog's facial expressions when I didn't turn towards the dog park. Just a cat falling off a table. Doggo arrest. Someone called the police on my dog because he ran away and attacked a deer, and I know this is serious, but the sight of him in the cop car, I'm all smile and wave, boys. Police apprehend penguins who keep sneaking into sushi restaurant. This is my cat after trying to run out the door into a wall of snow. My friend's cat had surgery and now he has no pants. My dog managed to get into a pack of frozen fish fillets and he would have gotten away with it if he didn't get stuck and had to come to me for help. Bought a couch from Craigslist, heard noises coming from it after bringing it home. Cut it open and found a cat. My friend's dog is not happy about leaving the dog park early. My husband and I can officially check pull a balloon string out of a cat's butthole at 11:30 at night off our bucket list. Finally. My friend took her cat to get fixed and his face shows exactly his thoughts about it. Her bowl is in the dishwasher. Dad took our dog Arky for a walk. When they got back, Dad went to eat breakfast. When you love the smell of bacon, but get a little too close to the frying pan on the stove. So my bed was stuck in my bathroom. My cat got stuck between the glass door and the screen door. I had to lock her in the dog crate because she was going to break something from being over hyper. I think she hit her breaking point. Is this what people mean when they say their dog is broken? Asking for a friend. Our cat steals and hoards bottle caps. Found his stash while cleaning. My dachshund puppy got stuck in the couch cushions. Just another day in Montana. Cat chasing a bear out of the backyard. Just thought I'd check in on the dogs. My boyfriend doesn't believe that his cat bull is mine. I came in to find my tortoise like this. My goat broke his trampoline and he's very upset. Anyone have a small one for cheap? My friend's dog ate a bee. Mistakes were made. The dog got into the weed cookies. Money was spent. Doggo is fine. Owner feels dumb. Let my dog out into the garden. 2 minutes later I hear her barking and go outside to see this. There might have been some miscalculations in my plan. Dog. Owner used the wrong shampoo. It's hair dye. Doggy vs Danger Little. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Turn on notifications to receive the latest videos. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow.